Hey guys, my name is Arvind, and today we will talk about the Appium, which is mobile automation tools. It supports Android, iOS, and Firefox OS. It runs on multiple platforms like Windows and iOS. So I have listed down some prerequisite which required before running the scripts in the Appium. So these are the pre-installation we need to run on our systems. So I will talk about today only Windows 7. So with the Android setup. So first of all, we need Java IDE, which is Eclipse. So you have to install the Eclipse. You have to download the Eclipse from official site and extract the folder and create a shortcut of eclipse.exe. So if you are using Java 1.8, so you have to first you have to choose Luna. It's better and supports more than Kepler and older version. So second thing is you have to first install Java in order to run Eclipse. Without Java, Eclipse will not run. And so for installing Java, you have to go to the Java official sites and install the JDK, latest JDK. It's 1.8. So once you install it, you will get a folder in your C drive like JDK, Java, and program file Java and JDK. So you have to, after installing Java, you have to configure system variable for Java. So this is Java home, and so I will show you how to configure it. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to my computer and right click on my computer and go to the properties and go to the advanced setting and go to the environment variable. And here you can see I have already configured the system user variable. You can put it on user variable or you can put on system variable. If you are a single user of your, if it is your personal machine, then you will go with system variable. And if you want to your machine is sharing with multiple people, then you have to go with user variable or system variable. It depends on you. So I have configured with user variable. So I have configured create new and name it Java home and give the Java JDK path like this. Copy this and paste it here. Variable value. You can give here name Java home. Okay. Okay, so just click OK. You will get a new system variable. So I'm not doing it because I already done it. After creating a user variable, you have to give the Java bin folder inside the system path. So just edit the path. Just click on edit. I do not delete anything because it's a main line of system. If you edit something, maybe something will not work on system. So just put the semicolon after in and go to the JDK and copy the path of bin folder. Just copy it and paste after this one. So I'm not doing this because I already done it. So I'm cancelling it, and you have to do this. So after doing this, you just verify whether your Java installed or not. So just go to your system command prompt and just type Java versions. So you will get Java. So this is Java versions, not S. Okay. So you will get the installed Java version. So that makes confirm that your Java is installed properly. After installing Java, you have to second is you have to install Selenium WebDriver dependency. Okay, so after installing Java, you can open Eclipse and create okay, before creating project you have to install Maven. Okay, so maybe you can install Maven plugins from here also, Eclipse Marketplace, and you will get the Maven plugin from here. Just search Maven here and you can find it. And the second thing is you can install from another place, like it's taking time, so okay, and go to help and install new software, and you have to first get the Maven path. So you will just Google it, just Eclipse. Okay, so just copy this one. I have googled it. You can also do this. Just keep it just this URL and paste here. So you will get Maven plugins here. Just install it and finish it. It will take some time, so I'm leaving it. I already done it. And next thing, you have to download the Maven, this Apache Maven, and once you download it, you have to extract in C drive and anywhere. And after that you have to create the system variable or user variable for Maven home. So I will show you how to do this. Just go to the environment variable again, just create a new variable like we have done for Java, and create new variable and give the Apache Maven folder path to the Maven home. And after this you have to give the same bin folder, Apache Maven bin folder path to the system path also. So like we have done same with for Java. So here edit and append the bin folder path. So once you done it, you just go to the command line and just verify whether your Maven installed or not. So just in Maven, so sorry, something went wrong. So MVM, sorry. Okay, so you are not getting here. So just see this build is happening. So it means that Maven is installed correctly. Okay, so after installing Maven, you have to create a new Selenium create a new project, Java project, Maven project. Just to go to some tutorial where how to create Maven project from Eclipse. So once you create Maven project, you will get a folder structure like this, and you will get a XML file. This is form.xml, where you can put the dependencies of your jar files, and it will automatically download once the build will happen. So first thing, you have to put the dependency of Selenium Selenium WebDriver. So you can get from net, like Google. Just go to Selenium HQ site and get the dependency, Maven dependency of latest Selenium, and put it in pom.xml. Second thing, you have to install you have to download test.ng jar files from here, and also you have to install new you have to install Eclipse plugins for test.ng. You just go to new software like we have done for Maven and search in Google. Here there's test.ng URL for Eclipse. So you will get a URL and you put it on this URL box. So once you've done it, just make sure they are completed. And okay, after installation of test.ng, just you have to install the dependency of Appium, which is Java client. So for installing Appium, first I will prefer you to go through the documentation available in appium.io. It's the official site of Appium. Just go through once the documentation. It's a very huge documentation. They have mentioned very in very good manner, like all from initial level to high level. Like go to the documentation, you will get the like theoretical explanation of Appium, how we configure, how to use, how to run, and all things whatever. So just go to the go through once Appium official site in the documentation section. I'm not going now it. Okay, this time this is the download section, and here is Appium supports the same client library which supports Selenium. So like I'm using Java, so I will get the dependency of Java, my dependency of Java client. So once you let it load it, this is the Java dependency for Appium Java client. So this is the group ID, and this is client artifact ID, this is the version, and this is if you directly you can get the jar file and add in the folder and in system like library, and you can also get pom.xml. so this is the complete pom.xml. Just you have to add like this dependency group ID, just copy group ID, just copy our artifact ID, just copy version ID, and just save it. So it will install the Appium jar files for Java client. Once you're done with the dependency, just go to the next thing. We need emulator and Android SDK. So to install Android SDK, just go to the Google's official site and install the SDK Studio, and you will once you install it, you have to extract, and you will get a folder like Android SDK. 1 minute, let me open it. Okay, so this is the SDK folder. Once you extract it, you will get a folder like this, and after getting this, you have to just double click on AVD manager. Before this, you have to configure the system variable and system path for the Android for the SDK SDK. So for this, just again you have to go to same environment variable and advanced, and just create the same Android home and give the SDK path, this path, to the system variable. And again you have to give the platform tools and platform tools path and or tools path on the system path, where we are giving a Java bin folder path. So once you install it, just just type adb. You will get the number of options that showing that we have installed adb, we have installed SDK properly and configure it. Okay, after configuring adb, just you have to create a new AVD device emulator, which is called emulator. So to do this, just you have to go SDK manager, and here you have to install the Android platform. Like if you want, just make sure you have at least one Android version greater than the 4.2.2 version, because Appium supports above 4.2.2 version. So API 11.17 above than API 11.17. So just check on this one, and you will get the install button appear like right down corner. Just click on install. It will take like couple of hour time or maybe more than that. So I already done it, so I'm not doing again it. So after this you have to go to tools and manage AVD. Here you can see it's already created AVD. Like if you want to create new AVD, go to the device definition, or here also you can create new AVD. Give the some name, new AVD. Okay, and which device you want to configure. Like I want to configure like 7 access 7, and target version, what would be a target version? Like I'm selecting 4.2 API level. This is the version list what you install from SDK manager front page. So like you have installed more API version API level, then you will get the list that get added in list. So I'm selecting API level 19, and you can get select this is CPU and skin type anything, and just define the RAM and define the internal storage and define some SD card space and click on OK. So it will create a new AVD for you, and you can get the name in here. This list is created already. So just once you start it, you will have to it will launched with the default size. So let it launch. Okay, so it's started, and you can get will do like this. It will load the new AVD and load the Android platform on this. It will take some time, so I'm not doing this again. I have already configured like a new old AVD. This is like this. This is 4.4, and this is 5.0. So we have two emulator. One is on 4.2 and second is on 5.0.1. Okay, so after creating this, you just check it whether your device is created or not. So ADB devices, you will get the list of connected device on your system. Like I have connected two device emulator. Okay, so I'm getting the list here. Okay, now we have done the prerequisite setup of our Appium. Like so, here is Appium. We can run Appium from Appium server in two way. One is from user interface level, and second is from command line. So first I will talk about how to run Appium servers from user interface level. Okay, so for this you have to first go to official Appium site. Okay, so and download the Appium for window. Okay, so here once you click download, you will get the Appium exe, not exe, Appium zip file where you can save and extract in your specific location. Like I have extracted in this folder. So once you extract here, you will get a exe application file Appium. So just create a shortcut in desktop like Eclipse. So once you click on Appium, you will get window case. Okay, so this is the main server application where you can start and set up the application and all stuff. So I'm not taking much time to explain it. I will take it after this video and next video. Okay, so first of this is the setup window where you can set up the all application package and all things activity and all actions. And here you can set up the default server and default port and the pre-launch and override, and there are many options. And you can also set up grid configuration file here. And this is the developers option. I'm not aware of it. This is the Appium about. So here you can see the what version you are using. Okay, so I'm not taking time here. So this is the run button. So I'm just running it. So started run on default server, default port. It will start on 27.0.0.1 and default server. So it started to on this server in this port. So now how to, like, I will explain how to write a first program on for Appium. So just go to the Eclipse, open Eclipse, and this is, I have created a simple file. These are the some configuration and capabilities set up before launching the Appium. So this is Appium. You have to import the Appium driver class file and create an object of Appium driver, which comes from Java client, which we have already configured dependency. We have configured the dependency for Appium driver. So you will just import this one, Appium driver class file, create an object. Okay. After that, we have to pass some capabilities to the Appium object. So here we will passing the test file, like APK file, test application under test. So we are passing this APK file. You can get APK file from build server, like you are getting from you build from developers, and you just put it there some specific location and give that path here. Okay. And next, the capability